Hi, today in front of me REALME GT Neo 3T and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So just first we should launch the Play Store app, and here in the search pool let's enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application window loading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, and near green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher, click to activate and go back. Tap to switch input method, switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, and let's, for example, use the app search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these models. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.